the hijama. Before we go to the type of the hijama, we need to talk about that the cupping, which is the hijama, the wet cupping, it is apart from the alternative medicine. What is the alternative medicine? It's the medicine that is in the other side that people use now. There is a school, I think in north here, Toronto, Steels and somewhere. There is that for alternative medicine, they use hijama as a type of curing people. But they don't use karim, but they use the needles. They use needles and to take those, to make the blood coming out from the skin. So it is from the alternative medicine. And people now, they are turning from this medicine that is using drugs and so on because of the side effect and because of the unknown disease. Some disease that they are unknown. And then people, they find no cure somewhere except in the cupping or in hijama. So we have to know that the one who does the hijama, he have to be knowledgeable about the human body. What is in the human body? Not anybody. He has to know where are the distribution of the vein in the body and the circulation and so on, and also the body, the entire. He has to have part of medicine. Have to have some knowledge about medicine, and he should be very careful in his job because he can cause a disease that will be chronic or that disease that will stay a long time for someone. For example, as we're going to talk, the hijama on the akhda'ain, which is this location, the under the ears, on the neck, which is in the side of the neck, which is this part, there is a big vein that comes from the lungs and the livers and the heart that goes up to the brain. So it is so close to the skin. If someone touches it, so then we can say s.a.w to this person. So this is we have to be very, very careful. Now, this is about al-hijama, and then we're going to talk, inshallah ta'ala, the type of the hijama. What are the type of the hijama? There is two types of hijama. The dry cupping, which is al-hijama jaffa, and we have the wet cupping, which is al-hijama al-ritba. Al-hijama al-jaffa is the one that is known here in North America. And even the famous people and so on, they cure themselves by using cupping when there is some clinic in North America here that they do this type of medicine. This is the dry hijama. What is the dry hijama? It is when the one who's practicing the hijama is gonna warm the air inside a cup. And mostly those cups are from glasses, and the one who practices the hijama, he's gonna warm up the air that is inside. There is two techniques. So he can warm it with, he puts inside a paper or a cotton that has fire in it, and then he put it directly on the part of the skin. And because of that closing, so that the fire is going to consume the oxygen inside and create after that the depression, and it's going to take away the skin of that part up. Or he's going to take a fire and then warm it. There is a certain technique, warm it inside, as you're going to see, which is here. Either you can put the paper inside and then you put it on the skin, or you can warm inside the air and immediately you put it on the skin. So here you see that method is used in the dry cupping, which is that dry cupping, and then you can see people or the one who's practicing the hijama, he move that without any cutting of the skin. So why? It's gonna move the bad blood. As we're going to explain, inshallah ta'ala, the bad blood that is creating pain and discomfort in the body, especially in the back, is going to move it and make a good circulation in the back, and then later the back ache or back pain will go away. But it will return again later on. But the hijama, that is the word hijama, that necessitate the cutting, so that will be the best one to do, because it's going to take away the bad blood and the dead red blood cells, and also the waste that are in the blood and so on. It's going to take them away from the body, which will regenerate later on new blood, and then the entire system in the body will be in a good health. This is the way, by the way, to take away or to take off the cup in a dry cupping, which is in the dry cupping, which is al-hijama al-jaffa. Now, the benefit of al-hijama al-jaffa, as we said, they used to use it to minimize the pain that comes from the muscles, and also to take away the mixture of the air. There will be air on the surface of the skin that are under the skin, and then he said, the specialist, he said that it is very beneficial, that type of hijama, which is the dry cupping without cutting. So it is very it is the technique that is very beneficial to the pain that are in the back, and also in the joint, in the mafasil, the articulation of the body. So this is about al-hijamatu al-jaffa, which is the dry cupping. Al-hijamatu al-ritba. What is al-hijamatu al-ritba? The wet cupping, which is, it is the same as the dry cupping, but it necessitates deep cutting and to take away the blood from the surface. And mostly the device that is modern and we use it right now, which is this device, the one that I just showed it to you, and it is being sold here in Toronto, everywhere, with the Chinese, even here in the center they have it, I think. So they use that type of cups, and then there is many sizes, and then what are you going to do? It's going to do the same technique, but here even you can use the other way, which is the old style technique, but the new modern technique, you use that device that we see here, take away the air from inside the cup, and then we're going to leave it for 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes, and so on, till the blood and that area will be regrouped, and then after we take it away, and then we make the cut, and immediately again we're going to put the, what do you call it, the cup again, and do the depression again. So, as we said, this is the wet cupping, al-hijamatu al-ritba, and that is used and was used at the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the Arab used to do it long time ago. Okay, this is the cutting as we see here, and the blood is coming out, and we leave it here till maybe the cup will be full, half or full. So this is the one that we're going to study, inshallah ta'ala, and we're going to talk about the benefit of it, inshallah ta'ala.